It was raining softly when he found it. A red umbrella, alone on a wet bench in the park. No one around. He looked up. The sky was gray. He picked it up and walked away. But the feeling didn't leave him. The next morning, he waited for his train. Cold wind blew through the empty platform. He held the red umbrella. Now it felt heavier. Across the tracks, a woman was watching him, or so he thought. He sat down in a small cafe, took a sip of coffee, then froze. The umbrella, it was there, resting near his chair. But he had left it at home. Or had he? The bookstore was quiet. He wandered between tall shelves. When he turned around, it was there again, the red umbrella. And a man nearby whispered a name that wasn't his. The wind howled above the city. He stood on the rooftop, coat flapping. The umbrella lay open on the ground, facing him like a dare. He didn't bring it. He was sure of that. Late that night, he sat in silence. The room was still. Then he saw it, near the door, the red umbrella, dry, waiting.
Hello, and welcome to my channel. Please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for more videos.